Police officers equipped with body cameras navigate the city streets and engage with the community from a unique and transparent perspective. As we witness the events unfold through their body camera lenses, we gain insights into the challenges and triumphs that come with their vital role as street patrol officers. What unique and unfiltered perspective on reality do you get when you witness street patrol through the eyes of body cameras? Embark on an unscripted adventure through the streets, where body cameras become the storytellers, capturing the truth in every frame of street patrol. Get ready for raw encounters and unfiltered justice. After a federal judge declared the police department's stop and frisk tactics unconstitutional, New York City was ordered to implement body cameras as a remedy. Police body cameras, like a watchful hawk's eye, perch on an officer's chest or head, capturing interactions between the officer and the public. With a microphone tuned to every word and internal storage to save video footage for later review, these cameras act as a silent witness. As the cameras become the new eyes and ears of law enforcement, justice stands poised to be served with transparency and accountability. The police department was initially hesitant about the cameras. Police Commissioner James P. O'Neill, a seasoned police officer, admitted his skepticism initially, but changed his tune over the years. "I'm totally convinced now that this is the way forward," he asserted. These cameras have the potential to de-escalate situations, benefiting everyone involved. Meet Officer Jane, a diligent officer donning her body cam, capturing every angle like a watchful eye. Let's watch the tape while she conducts street patrol, revealing the reality behind every nook and cranny of her duty. As the camera rolls, expect to witness both the tip of the iceberg and the whole shebang of her encounters with the community. As Officer Jane strolls the city streets, her watchful eye captures the near accident at the crosswalk. She hurries to the rescue, providing a helping hand to the elderly woman and guiding her safely across the bustling street. Unaware of the gravity of her next encounter, Officer Jane continues her patrol with her body camera rolling and records the intense arrest, a scene that sparked public outcry for alleged excessive use of force. The incident unfolded after a local news outlet reported that the suspect was pinned down by his neck. However, the uninterrupted body camera footage tells a different story. The event started 5 days earlier when police officers responding to a 911 called about a distressing situation. The concerned caller described her son, 27-year-old Devin Whitmire, who had been acting erratically, threatening to break windows at her mother's house. She revealed that Devin was previously under an involuntary commitment in the state. This was due to signs of psychiatric issues or substance use, which could have posed a risk to himself and others. The body camera footage offers a comprehensive view of the arrest, shedding light on the complexities surrounding the situation and the officer's actions during the encounter. As the lens pans and zooms, it captures every detail of the encounter. As Officer Jane clarifies with dispatch, expressing her hope that officers will find Devin Whitmire and not his identical twin Tevin, she approaches the street location. Upon arrival, she encounters a person who claims to be Tevin. About 90 minutes later, an open warrant for Devin's arrest is issued. Devin had been detained 24 times for offenses like robbery with a dangerous weapon and assault with a deadly weapon, which was reflective of his risky past. The body camera captures the moment when the officer interviews Devin, who falsely pretends to be his twin brother, Tevin, wearing a sling to deceive the authorities. As the situation intensifies, Devin insists he is Tevin, swearing not to lie, but the officers remain determined to identify him correctly. They emphasize that once his identity is verified, they will release him if he is indeed Tevin. However, based on his tattoos, they are certain of his true identity and that there is an active warrant for his arrest. When Devin unexpectedly requests the officers to give him some space to remove his gun, a tug of war comes up, escalating the situation further. The body camera footage reveals Devin spitting on the officers multiple times during the altercation, throwing fuel on the fire of the already escalating tension. The situation spirals out of control, leading to allegations that the police brutally beat him. A growing crowd gathers, with some spectators claiming Devin is being choked and struggling to breathe. Eventually, the police report documents that Devin continued resisting until he was finally placed in a squad car for transport. Throughout this intense encounter, Officer Jane's body camera records the unfolding events, providing crucial evidence of the complex and challenging circumstances faced by law enforcement officers. The body camera footage, like a key to the truth, provides a glimpse into the intricate and challenging reality law enforcement officers confront. Do you believe that body cameras, focusing on the suspect from the officer's perspective, have an impact on the interpretation of incidents, as many people claim? Comment below.